Okay, so last night I came up with an interesting design that I want to share with you guys. And so I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to go into a time lapse, but if you do want to see all of the steps, make sure you let me know in the comments. So yeah, let me show you. Okay, so this is the result of this script that you see here on the right hand side. It's pretty straightforward. It's floors here where we can adjust the height. So we have here the height of the floors. We can adjust that. So I have it at 12. Then here the extrusion would be for the skin. So the glass facade here in the front is adjusted through this slider. It's a little bit heavy because it's doing all of these pipes at the same time that I'm kind of moving the slider. So if I put 34 here, it'll actually create a 34-inch thick glass facade. So yeah, this is the script. I will add it to the description for you to download and play around with if this is what you want. But right now I'm going to bake it and do a quick render. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the end. And yeah, so if you want to learn exactly how it works, I do recommend going in here, downloading it, and seeing how things connect. It's pretty straightforward, but if you're having trouble with it, that, in my opinion, that would be one of the best ways to learn how to use the program, is basically back engineering the work and then doing it yourself. So hopefully you learned something and enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the content, make sure to like the video, and if you want to see videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.